Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more interesting videos and innovative videos on microservices. We have gone through few videos on microservices such as introduction, FastAPI, connection to MySQL with RESTful API using FastAPI and many more. Today's video is really interesting and creative. We are going to see CRUD operation using MySQL with only update operation using RESTful API with Postman using Postman. So let us go through the app directory where our main code is there. Database file, then main file, now we will go through the here you can see it is written here. First record is Sachin, second is welcome Amit, which you want to change, and third is Sagar Patil. Now we will go through Postman part. Now here I will URL, copy the URL, I will paste here the URL. Okay, now what I want to say, change the second record, so I will copy the second record and I will go through test 3 we are seeing our request machine on the records also. Now copy the second record and REST API find file. Now request here. Now second body data paste. Now I will update operation I will put. Now welcome Amit, instead of welcome Amit I will write here welcome Sharak. Now we will see the change. Here it is 200, that means connection in that request is successful. Now what I will send, yes, student updated successfully. Now we will see here. Yes, welcome Shahrukh. Yes, so I successfully done with REST API update operation using RESTful API using MySQL. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on microservices, web development using Python, machine learning using Python, and many interesting videos using Python. If possible, React.js, Node.js, front stack, stack, and if possible, full stack using Python. So for latest updates about Python, keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching. Yeah, both the requests are successful. Fine. I have been struggling a lot for this Postman. Thank you.